Before y'all start hating on me, I know it's not that great. I get it. Okay? I'm not much of a painter. I'm more of a drawer. I like pencil drawing. So don't hate on me too much, guys. I'm trying to figure this painting thing out, okay? This is our solar system. From here all the way out to here is about 3.6 billion miles. This is my absolute favorite subject to learn about. And I know a lot of useless facts about this. So I hope y'all enjoy this journey I'm fixing to take y'all on. The solar system. One common misconception I've seen is people not understanding why. From our little blue planet right here, you can still see Venus and Mercury and the sun and all these other planets. Here's the thing, guys. This here is not to scale. Nor are all these planets lined up like this. This is a better representation of how the solar system looks. The reason you can see Venus from Earth is because if you're standing right here, you have got a clear line of sight to that right there. So, Mercury, about 35.9 million miles from the sun. It takes about 88 days to orbit the sun, and it happens to be the fastest planet in our solar system. I did the calculations the other day. It travels at about 104,000 miles per hour. If you've seen my video on orbital velocity, you'll understand how you do that. But real quick, 35.9 million miles from the sun, multiply that by 2, multiply that by 3.14159. That's going to give you the amount of miles that it travels. And you're going to divide that by 186,000 miles per second, multiply that by 60. That'll get you the miles per hour that it's going. I'm just mixing paint. So many paintbrushes, I don't know. Mercury is a very small planet. The circumference of Earth is a little under 24,000 miles around. Mercury is 9,525 miles around. Less than half the size of our planet. About 70% of the planet is made of metals. Just like Earth, it has an iron core. And that makes up about 70% of the planet. 30% of the planet is made up from silica, which are rock-forming materials. It is about 2/5 the size of Earth. Around the size of the continental United States, where I live. But it is only slightly less dense because of the amount of metals that it's made out of. It was first discovered in 1631 by Thomas Harriot and Galileo Galilei. I'm sure y'all have heard that name before if y'all are into astronomy. Galileo invented the first telescope. Now, it is classified as one of the rocky planets, which are the 4 inner planets. The rest of the planets, except for Pluto. I know Pluto is a dwarf planet now, but come on. It still counts. Are made of gas. They're considered gas giants. Even though it is the smallest planet in our solar system, Pluto's smaller, but it's the second densest planet. That doesn't mean it's the heaviest or the thickest or anything like that. It just simply means that there's more stuff in a smaller area. basically like a piece of wood. That's a 4-inch by 4-inch piece of wood. It's going to be a lot lighter than a 4 by 4-inch piece of metal because there's more stuff. Metal is more dense than wood is. Now, even though Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, it is only the second hottest, second to Venus, due to its close proximity to the sun, which we said earlier is a little over 35 million miles, and its lack of atmosphere, it loses heat really fast. So, that being said, the difference between night and day, in a word, is extreme. Daytime reaches temperatures of 800 degrees, while nighttime can get as low as negative 290 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, with a low concentration of atmosphere comes craters. Earth is protected by many things when it comes to meteors. One would be the atmosphere. Meteors come zooming in so fast, when they hit our atmosphere, they end up burning a lot of their mass off. And many times they actually burn all the way out before they even reach the Earth's surface. But in the case of Mercury, there is no atmosphere to block any of those incoming asteroids. So they hit quite often. And with that, there's many craters on Mercury. With its lack of atmosphere and its inability to hold heat, even though it's the closest planet to the sun in our solar system, water ice has been found on Mercury. Mainly inside craters where the sun never reaches. Thank you guys so much for watching that video. If you liked it, give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below. What else would y'all like to see? And please check out The Loop by M.R. Price. That's my newest book. The link will be in the description. Y'all have a wonderful day.